What's up guys, welcome back to another midweek episode of Home Built. First of all, before we get started, I'd like to give a massive thank you to everybody who's been smashing that subscribe button. We're well over 250 subscribers now and well on our way to the next stop, which is 500. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not something I would normally do on the channel, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. I've been having a look on the internet. As you know, the Mini's nearing completion, but what I have been seeing when I've been looking at Park Lane Minis is on the wing there's a little Park Lane decal. Now I've been searching everywhere for these. I've had a look on eBay, the usual places. There's not really any genuine ones. Some people are making their own and selling them on, but they're really expensive for what they are. Now, as you know, we've got a Cricut machine here. We can make our own decals. I was sitting here doing an order for somebody who'd done an order on yourhomebuilt.com, so I've decided why not have a go at making this sticker myself. So let's go and have a look at the Mini. We'll take a template, and rather than just making some standard Park Lane ones, we'll have a go at making some home built ones. So let's get on it. Right, so I'm going to try and get this done before it starts raining again. Sorry if you can hear the wind noise, it's howling again, but so what I've got here is I've got just a standard bit of white vinyl, and I've stole my daughter's smiggle scissors because, well, they were handy and they're actually really sharp. These are kid scissors as well, sharpest ones in the house probably. So basically this Park Lane decal goes here. So I'm just going to try and roughly get the shape of it so that I can then measure it and make it on the Cricut design software. So let's see what I can do. I'll start from one side. If I can get one side right, I can then trim down the other side, and then of course once I get this side right, it'll just be a mirror image to do the other side. That's the theory. There's probably a really technical way of doing this, but I'm just going to take wee bites of the cherry at a time and just see if we can match it. There we go, I think that looks alright there. So I've rounded off the bottom corner there, rounded it off here and a wee bit there. We can neaten the rest up later. But now I've got this, I can go measure this, see exactly what size it needs to be, and then I can make the new ones and then trim them to fit the car. So let's go and have a go at that. So I've measured my template and it's just over 25 and a bit centimetres long. So I'm not brilliant with this Cricut design software. I'm fairly new to it, so what we'll do is we'll start with a rectangle, and the width is, we'll go 26, and then that'll give us plenty to cut when we need to. So 26 centimetres, and then the height of the sticker, it's 1.5 centimetres. So we'll put 1.5 in there. Okay, and then that's going to give us that. Now what we need is we need the text on it. So if we try and, if I line the centre of the shape up with this grid line, I'll know exactly where the centre is. Like that. And then we can put some text in. So we'll probably do, what we'll do is we'll make some Park Lane ones and we'll make some home built ones. I'll put the home built ones on, and then when we come to sell it, we'll give the potential buyer the Park Lane ones as well, so if they want to change them they can do. So obviously that text's a bit big, we'll need to resize that. And we can also change the colour of it so it will stand out. Again, we'll use that arrow in the centre to line up the centre. That looks pretty good actually. Right. So now what we can do is we can lock that, and then duplicate them. So if I duplicate that, four times. Again, we'll just try and line these up. I'll duplicate this one. We'll use the crosshairs to try and line it up again. That looks good. And then we'll just repeat it with this one. Need to change the colour. Oops. Right, so we must have to move that bit forward. So put that there. Move forward. There we go. And then what I can do is when these print, I can then trim these and put them onto a new bit of backing paper, hopefully. Right, let's see if we can do some Park Lane ones as well. That looks good. Now obviously at the minute these are all individual, so what I need to do is go through them and attach them. So that it's one, what do you call it, sorry, one layer rather than two layers sitting on top of each other. I think that's what it's called. Attach. So what the Cricut machine should do now is when I load it up with the vinyl, it should cut each rectangle and then cut the lettering in the centre. So that's the theory. Like I say, I'm no expert, but let's load up the machine and we'll see if it works. Now on the Park Lane decal, it's silver. It's a silver that kind of closely matches the roof. Obviously I don't have any identical silvers, but I do have a few here. Let's see what we've got. We've got this silver here. Don't know how well we can see that, but we've got that silver. And then I've got another really cool one, which is kind of like a brushed, sort of brushed stainless steel, brushed aluminium effect, which looks really cool. but looking at it I think it might be a little bit too shiny. I think we'll start with the standard silver. Right guys, all we have to do now is load it into the cutting machine. So we've got our vinyl on the mat, sticky mat, pop it in the machine, click the load button, and hopefully in a few minutes we'll have 4 nice part lane decals. Okay guys, it's exactly 4.5 centimetres from the edge of each letter to the edge of the decal. So if I line the point of this one up here, the corner of that decal, like that, and then we trim off that bit. That bit. That should keep the letter in the centre, and then like I said before, it's a mirror image to the opposite side. And if I line that corner up, we should keep everything centred. That's all the weeding done guys. Next step is just to put some transfer paper on, and then we can go and try them on the car and see how they look. Right, let's have a look at how these turned out. So, first of all, we'll get the panel away. Now, I know I machine polished this the other day, so I know it's pretty clean. I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol wipe just to take off any greases and waxes that might be on the panel. I might. So we're going to go with the home built one. That's for the other side. Like I said, we've got some park lane ones there, so whoever buys the car, if they want to put the park lane ones on, they can do. But at the moment it's still ours, so we're going to go with the home built. What we'll do is I'll probably peel the start of this and try and line it up first. sure it's well pressed down. Peel off the transfer paper. Look at that. That looks insane. I think that might even look better than the Heartland badges. I do like that, that's very cool. So that's it for this midweek video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some use out of it. I was sitting there making decals anyway, so I thought, why not see if we can get these done? And I think, to be fair, I think they actually turned out pretty cool. I really like them. I think they look much better than the Park Lane ones, but never mind. It's up to the new owner who will eventually buy this car, whether they want to keep the home built ones or whether they want to go ahead and put the Park Lane ones on. Either way though, it's going to look just as good as what it did coming out the factory. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.